21st century, the era of globalization. Many Korean companies in electronics, shipbuilding, automobile industries have recently grown into well-recognized global figures. Here we have another company doing the same in the state-of-the-art technological bioscience field of pharmaceutical industry. Relentlessly challenging to improve health and the lives of the human race. We have a company preparing and putting all its capabilities into making this dream come true. And now, it is about to do what everything and everyone has thought impossible, until it stands strong and firm as the best global healthcare company. The challenge continues. Here we have Korea United Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Based on the corporate philosophy of the indomitable frontier spirit, the fostering of global enterprise, and the company of Great Tree, Korea United Pharmaceuticals has been established since 1987, manufacturing over 350 kinds of pharmaceutical products and providing quality services and products in the Korean domestic market and over 30 other foreign countries around the world. In 1996, Korea United Pharm gained its first recognition as a global firm by $1 million Export Tower Award, soon followed by $5 million Export Tower Award in 1999, just 3 years later. That same year, Korea United Pharm went public with KOSDAQ Korean stock market registration. In 2000, Korea United Pharm established a total merchandising and distribution company, United Interpharm, to take advantages of vertical integration. In 2001, Korea United Pharm was awarded as the best taxpayer, and for the first time in the Korean pharmaceutical business, Korea United Pharm was able to achieve a $10 million export only with finished products. In 2002, a multivitamin nutrition product, Humtaman Ginseng, was named the World Class Product Award by Korean government. In 2003, Korea United Pharm was again awarded for leading and establishing a new labor and management culture by the Korean government. In 2004, Korea United Pharm's R&D Center was certified as Advanced Technology Center, and the management was given the Best Global Management Award by the Korean government. As Korea United Pharm's multinational factories located in Vietnam and the USA just began to operate and consistently grew in both the domestic and overseas markets, it is truly a rebirthing into the best global healthcare company. Until the corporate philosophy of being a great tree, Korea United Pharm has been taking on its social responsibilities, providing services to the underprivileged neighbors, especially in public hospitals, orphanages, and institutes for the aged. And also the company has provided financial support to the Vietnamese students and offspring of the patriotic who fought for the independence of Korea but left in China. Also, the company holds culture festivals for the Korean Chinese children and opens up opportunities for not only them, but also the world to learn and experience Korean spirit and culture. Likewise, Korea United Pharm sincerely carries on social responsibilities of returning its profits to society. Dr. Kang, the president of Korea United Pharm, has created his career from a salesperson of a pharmaceutical company and became the first person who established a multinational pharmaceutical company that is solely owned by Koreans. With the goal of becoming the best of the best company, he practices his way of doing global business management to meet the challenges of improving competitiveness of Korean pharmaceutical companies to the global standard. The Korea United Pharm R&D Center, since its establishment in 1994, has maintained above 6% R&D investment against the total revenue, which is the top level in the Korean pharmaceutical industry. And as a result of developing high value-added synthesis of raw material as well as finished product, it was awarded Advanced Technological Center by the Korean Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Energy, gaining its official recognition by the government for its excellence in state-of-the-art technology and supreme quality in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Currently, Korea United Pharm holds more than 20 patents with its own technology, and about 50 more are patent processing in other countries, building and strengthening its own technological fundamentals. Putting Humtaman Ginseng Soft Capsule in the front as one of the best exporting products with its main ingredient as Korean ginseng, Korea United Pharm specializes in ethical products such as anti-cancer agents, antibiotics, circulatory and alimentary products, Korea United Pharm factory is the GMP certified facility, strictly follows its own set of rules and stands operating procedures, maintaining the best quality management, and produces high-quality products with the pride in taking on the responsibility of improving healthcare and the people around the world. Not only that, Korea United Pharm, operating its own raw material synthetic plant, has vertically integrated to produce finished products from its own source. The products from the synthetic plant are also exported to developed countries such as Japan and Spain, building on its global recognition of fine technology of raw material synthesis. Korea United Pharm took on its challenge of entering the pharmaceutical export market, which was thought then impossible even for these conglomerate giant corporations. As a result, Korea United Pharm currently exports anti-cancer agents, antibiotics, and multivitamin products to over 30 countries around the world and has established overseas factories in the United States of America, Vietnam, and Egypt, as well as branch offices in Los Angeles, Vietnam, Philippines, and Myanmar. Starting in 2004, factories in Vietnam and the USA are fully operating. With determination on localization and globalization, Korea United Pharm aggressively takes on the global market. Again, for the first time among Korean pharmaceutical companies, Korea United Pharm established a factory in Luverne, Alabama, USA, that conforms to the US FDA standards and produces healthcare supplements and other pharmaceutical products. With Made in USA effect, the company plans to attack the US and Latin American markets. The factory in Vietnam also plays an important role as the core supply center in Southeast Asia, since it can locally supply those products which are prohibited for importation, as well as locally producing products in Vietnam that are subject to tax-free exportation among ASEAN countries, predicting great increase in sales and inducing additional positive effects. Factory in Egypt, established to secure Arab and African markets, is what Korea United Pharm has first tried a new form of business, as we call pharmaceutical plant export, that advanced equipment and technologies are transferred to local companies in Egypt in terms of investment, creating high value-added outposts in the export strategy. Healthy living. We know the importance of these words. That we must advance one step ahead to improve and promote healthy living of the human race. With indomitable frontier spirit against any difficulties, Korea United Pharm will make such a new way, making people all over the world free from disease and be able to live healthily and happily. Korea United Pharm will make such a way. Korea United Pharm, standing right in the middle of making the way. The best global healthcare company, Korea United Pharm, being with you always.